The brain is basically supplied by two sets of arteries, namely two vertebral arteries and two internal carotid arteries. So internal carotid artery is in front and vertebral artery is behind. Okay. Now the internal carotid artery will give two branches. One branch will go forwards and medially, and that is called as the anterior cerebral artery. Other branch will go laterally, called as the middle cerebral artery. Now the vertebral artery will join to form an artery called as a basilar artery, which will end as or terminate as a posterior cerebral artery like this. It will end as a posterior cerebral artery. So we can call it PCA, posterior cerebral artery, which will go backward. Obviously, as the name implies, it will go backwards inferiorly. Now, here is an MCA. Now, to complete the circle, there is a communicating artery between the anterior cerebral artery. We can name it as the anterior communicating artery, and a communicating artery between the posterior cerebral and the middle cerebral, or ICA, can be called as the posterior communicating artery. Okay. Now, how many of you can make out a kind of bug here, an insect or a bug with its forelimb facing forwards as the anterior cerebral artery, hind limb facing backwards as you can say like a PCA or posterior communicating artery, and the wings, okay, going laterally all the way laterally to the lateral surface of the cerebral hemisphere. So that means the anterior cerebral will be going forwards in the medial surface of the and supplying the medial surface of the cerebral hemisphere. Posterior will be going backwards and the inferior surface of the cerebral hemisphere, while MCA will go to the lateral surface. Thank you.